I'm trying. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ern. Today for you guys, I will be eating potato, eggs, shrimp, broccoli, and I got the snow crab from Sam Club. You know, the white crab. And I also have my white butter sauce. Look at that. Which also will be available January 1st. So if y'all would like to purchase her butter sauce, I'm telling you, it's amazing. It will be available to the people January 1st. Look at that, y'all. Oh, I'm gonna get all the onions and stuff on there too. I just wanna get all this goodness right here first. Oh, look at that. Y'all see the steam? Look at that, y'all. We're gonna dip in with one of these broccolis first. One of these shrimps. Butter sauce, amazing. Butter sauce, amazing, y'all. And I almost forgot. I got a cran apple for the bath. See how I like mine. Cold, little slush in it. It's the best when it's like that. Bite into this potato. Ooh. Popping. This was a brown egg too. A brown egg. Stop playing. I'm telling y'all. Don't miss it January 1st. Make sure I get this butter sauce. This butter sauce is so good you can really eat it with anything. I don't know why I'm drinking it that fast. Because every time I do, I wind up getting a brain freeze. Need to slow down drinking that stuff. That cold. I hate getting brain freezes. Them Jones, man. Be irritating, man. Man, this broccoli, boy. Get all that goodness on this broccoli. I'm trying. Look at all that goodness. Amazing. Amazing. Ooh. I feel like I got to sneeze. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me, y'all. Ooh. Now that I got that out the way, let's get back to eating. That broccoli's so good. Potato falling apart. Might overcook them a little bit. No, you can't overcook them. Whew. Potatoes and eggs be having your mouth dry. Oh, they good, but they be having your mouth so dry eating them, John. I'm full. About it for me. Alright. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, if y'all want my white butter sauce, it'll be available to the people, to the public. Let me stop saying people. It'll be available January the 1st